Friday, this coming Friday, is a big, big day for us Chinese people. It's our Lunar New Year. That's right. We have 2 New Years to celebrate every year. And the Lunar New Year, in our mind, is the time to have a big family reunion and to truly relax and enjoy the warmth, the joy, and good cheers. The reason I personally love the Lunar New Year more because we gave them better names, much cuter names than the cold numbers, like 2014, 2013. We called our year, the upcoming year, the year of a horse. But why horse? Why do we use animals to name our years? Long, 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 long time ago. Back in the good old days when cats and the rats were friends. And the humans were not as smart as we are. They didn't know how to even tell whether a year was old or new. So the mighty empire of heaven was so worried. How can I help these humans? They look so stupid. What about I select 12 animals, 1 for each year, so that it's easier for them to remember. But there are so many animals who should be selected. So the empire decided to hold an animal marathon, and the first 12 animals will win the race and be selected to name the years. This is big news for the animal world, and everyone was so eager to win and to get a place in the 12 years. And the tiny cat and the rat wanted to win too. But they were so tiny, and they didn't know how to swim across the wide river in the marathon. So they asked the ox for help. And the day came. The rat got up super early, and there were stars in the sky. They pushed the cat. Cat, time to go. Meow. Don't push me. Cat, we'll be late. Cat. Oh, no bother. And the rat left. The rat tried so hard in the marathon. And he got to the river at the same time as the ox. He climbed to the back of the ox and got across the river. As he got closer and closer to the finish line, the ox thought, I want to be number 1. So he threw the rat back behind him, and a big smile appeared on his face. And the rat fell, fell onto a tree branch and bounced back past the finish line. And the rat got the first. The ox got the second. He was so angry, he can only shout it, moo, moo. And then came the third, the tiger. He was wet all over. And then came the rabbit. He was helping other animals to get across the river. So he was kind of late, got the fourth. The fifth was the dragon. He was late because he had the duty of generating rain. And the rest of winners are snake, horse, sheep, monkey, rooster, dog, and finally the lazy pig. The empire was so glad. Congratulations, winners. As you can see, here are the rankings. And at this time, the cat hit the finish line. He was out of breath. Did I win too? Sorry, cat. The game's over. I'm sorry you didn't win. And the cat was so mad. He thought, it must be because of the rat. He didn't call me. He didn't wake me up. He rushed to the rat and tried to eat him. So from then on, cats and rats are no longer friends. So that's the legend for the Chinese 12 animal Zodiac. In the year of horse, people have so many great wishes to give. On the back of a horse, in Chinese, if you tweak it a little bit, it means at once. And people wish each other have more success at once, have more money at once, and be healthier at once. And also some people wishes the young singles to find a boyfriend or girlfriend at once. And after I got here in the US, for 4 years, I haven't done the Chinese Lunar New Year in the traditional Chinese way. And I cannot wait to make a phone call to my family and learn about what food they will have. On the other side of the ocean, there will be dumplings, snacks, candies, and all kinds of delicious homemade dishes. And I salivate just to think about them. It gets a little lonely when you don't have family around in the new year, but at least I have all of you to share my joy. And happy New Year of Horse.